What's up, guys? How's it going today? I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys to show you a little quick unboxing here. As you guys can see from the title, just some GoPro accessories from the good old mainland, from China. You know, this whole thing was like 30 bucks, and I'm gonna try and get into this without having too much trouble. I'm gonna hold on a second. So now, wow, so it's just like literally. Right, there's not even a box, but that's okay because I'm gonna put you guys down for a second because the whole thing is like a carrying case. So, by the looks of it, looks pretty good. So, here's the carrying case. If you guys can see that, hopefully there's enough light in here. But so yeah, you know, pretty nifty, nice little handle. It just makes it easier, I guess, to carry the GoPro around. Well, let's open this up. Obviously not a name brand or anything. Like I said, this whole kit was 30 bucks, guys. Shipped. Took about, a week. Alright, so we have quite a few things. We have, just your normal average little, helmet mounts, curved mounts, stuff like that. Looks like to be like some sort of a wrist attachment. Man, there's a lot of, just a bunch of, as you guys can see, like brackets and kind of pivot point things. What do we have here? This looks like some sort of a permanent mount. This is, I think, for like if you have a bike, you can put on your handlebars or something like that, or anything. You can wrap it onto a bar. Some more little. These actually feel, honestly, guys, these actually feel pretty good. What's this? What is this thing? You guys see that? What is that? That looks pretty interesting, right? Right. So keep on going here. There is a bunch of stuff in here. What's this? This is really the suction mount they sent. This looks this looks so big on the on the actual post. So I'm gonna open this up right quick and show you guys. Oh my god. See, so I wanted to put this like on the outside of my car, but with this little thing, I don't know, man. Like, do you guys see how tiny this is? What? We're gonna have to test the strength of this thing here, but oh my god, I did not expect that. Oh, that's a nice little thing there. You can screw it onto whatever tripod, and then put your GoPro on there. What else? We're still digging through here, guys. Some sort of carrying case bag type thing. I'm gonna turn the light on right quick, guys. I'm in my room. Probably won't, make too much of a difference. Hold on. Let's try something here. All right, so another little carrying case. Couple of those. Looks like we have some sort of a strap here, guys. Looks to be like an armband. Let's see what else we got here. Just some sort of a little lanyard. Or something. What is that? I don't know. We'll have to figure out what all these little odds and ends are. But a little buoy thing. That's pretty much irrelevant. What's this? This little floaty thing, I guess. It's irrelevant. I think these are like anti-fog pads, so that's pretty cool. But let's see. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is what's probably going to be used the most, honestly. Just a normal, your average selfie stick, whatever you want to call it. Actually, it feels, honestly, I'm going to expand it. This feels pretty good. I can't lie. I don't know what this little thing here is for. Oh, so you can screw it. That screws this. Okay, I got you. And then obviously I'm guessing, this. A little bit of play in it. So I guess, it's, nothing too crazy, but we'll see how it looks with the camera. You're not going to be, shaking it like this or anything like that. So just basic kind of a camera holder. Oh, I took out the whole thing. What do we got here? It looks like to be some sort of a strap, something like that to wrap around something. Just a tiny little tripod, just so you can, place it up on something and get a quick little shot. Looks to be like another, more brackets. And this. So I think this right here, guys, this is the head mount. For your, and then right here is for the chest mount. So you know, a bunch of stuff comes in it, guys. As you guys can see, I'm really just I'm blown away by how small this little suction mount thing is. Like this is so tiny. Like I don't know if I trust this to hold the GoPro. To be honest, I might buy like an actual. Um, at least for this may be fine for inside the car, and I'll definitely keep it. I'll probably still use it, but for outside the car, this just seems a little bit sketchy. We'll see how strong it is, and you know, stuff like that. But yeah, I just figured I'd kind of show you guys, you know, what comes in this $30 China, you know, GoPro accessory kit. I'll open everything up right quick and kind of lay it out so you guys can get a quick, overview of what comes in it. But yeah, just figured kind of throw this up there right quick for you guys if you guys are looking into getting this something like this. You know, there's a bunch of different kits on eBay depending on what you want, what you don't want. But like I said, $30 shipped, came in real quick. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. So actually, guys, I just tightened this up, and there's actually no play at all. So even better, right? Perfect. It's gonna be awesome. All right, guys. So now that I got everything pretty much out of the packaging, besides all the little stuff, just besides these little bolt-in screws and just the helmet sticky mounts and stuff like that, I have to say, guys, I am super impressed with all the quality of everything. Everything's nice and tight. Everything fits up really well, as you guys can see with the chest, the head mount over there, as well as the armband. This stuff's kind of irrelevant for me, but this is just some sort of a flexible bendy piece you can mount somewhere, wherever maybe you can clip it in. Where is it with one of the attachments here, but it really comes with everything, guys. Little tripod here, all the little tag, the adhesive stuff is actually all 3M stuff, so it's all super high quality, and I'm just really impressed, guys. So if you guys are looking to buy some accessories for your GoPro, don't spend the $20 for one accessory and just spend $30, and you get everything here. So yeah, guys, just quick update here, and hope you guys enjoyed.